Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Tamil Nadu. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through SMS or applied through email. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. Applicant must attach photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the application form while submitting at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the document is submitted, the applicant will be intimidated via SMS regarding the process completion. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must reach out to the For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office website online. Under the contact us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. They have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and Aadhaar number, and they send it to the respective authority requesting the linking of Aadhaar card with the mutual funds. The applicant must attach scanned copy of the Aadhaar card along with the email and click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is received, it will be processed and the applicant will receive an intimation via SMS or email regarding the process completion. This entire process can be completed within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. The applicant must send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number and the process completion will be intimidated via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.